In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in Google Slides using 3 different methods. Whether you're designing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, arrows can be an effective way to point out important information or guide your audience's attention across slides. So, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not signed in yet, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. From here, you can choose to start fresh by clicking on Blank Presentation, or you can select one of the available templates to get a head start. This step is important because it sets the stage for incorporating arrows into your slides. Next, let's add an arrow by navigating to the top menu bar and clicking on Insert. You'll see various options, but for adding shapes, you'll want to click on the option labelled Shape. A drop-down will appear showing a variety of shapes. For today's task, specifically look at the option that says Arrows. This will reveal an assortment of arrow styles you can choose from. Whether you need a straight arrow, a curved one, or something more decorative, you'll find it here. Select the type of arrow that suits your needs best. Once you've clicked on your desired arrow, move to the slide where you want it placed. Simply click and drag your mouse on the slide to create the arrow. You can adjust the size and direction by clicking on the arrow and using the blue corners or sides that appear around it. This flexibility allows you to tailor the arrow's appearance to match your presentation's aesthetic and functional needs. After placing an arrow, you may want to customize its color or line weight. To do this, select the arrow and go to the toolbar where you will see options to change the color, outline, and even transparency. Adjust these settings as needed to make your arrows stand out or blend in with your slide's content. Using arrows effectively can significantly enhance the clarity and visual appeal of your presentation. They can guide your audience through complex information or highlight key points that you want to stand out. Experiment with different styles and positions to see what works best for your content. I hope you find these methods straightforward and helpful for your next Google Slides project. Adding visual elements like arrows can truly transform your presentations and improve how your message is conveyed. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!